Hey everyone! Have you noticed your earbuds don't sound as great as they used to? It might not be the earbuds themselves, earwax could be the culprit. Let's dive into how to keep your favorite tech gadgets in top shape. We all love our earbuds for music, podcasts, or calls. However, neglecting them can lead to clogs that impact sound quality. Regular cleaning not only enhances your listening experience but also extends their lifespan, helping you save money over time. Earwax, dust, and grime can accumulate in your earbuds, blocking sound and diminishing audio quality. Keeping them clean allows you to fully enjoy your favorite tunes. No need for fancy gadgets. A soft cloth, rubbing alcohol, a toothpick, and a small brush are all you need. These simple tools effectively remove dirt without damaging your earbuds. See, just like washing your clothes or cleaning your phone, you should clean your earbuds regularly. Aim for at least once a month or whenever you notice a dip in sound quality. Be cautious while cleaning. Being too rough can harm your earbuds. A gentle touch, especially around the speaker mesh, is essential for keeping them safe. After a thorough clean, you'll be amazed at how much better they sound. It's like getting a brand new pair without spending any money. 1. Grab a soft cloth, rubbing alcohol, a toothpick, and a small brush. 2. Use the cloth with a bit of alcohol to clean the outer surface of your earbuds. 3. Gently brush away any dust or wax from the mesh part of the earbuds. 4. If you see earwax in the speaker area, carefully use the toothpick to remove it. Just remember to be gentle. 5. Always ensure they're completely dried before using them again. Avoid applying water directly to your earbuds, as moisture can damage the electronics. Steer clear of harsh chemicals, they can ruin the finish. And remember, be gentle, you want to clean them, not break them. And there you have it. Keeping your earbuds clean is easy and can significantly enhance your listening experience. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy listening, sure. Hey, erase the tightened version of your script chunk, remove and rinse those silicone tips, then let them air dry. Finally, find a cozy spot to store them safely. Watch out for these common mistakes. Avoid using sharp objects to clean your earbuds, as they can scratch or break them. Don't soak them in water, many earbuds aren't waterproof. And remember to clean them regularly. It's easy to forget, but crucial for great sound. So there you have it. With a little care, your earbuds can sound fantastic again. Give these tips a try and enjoy your music like never before. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.